Hello, today we're going to show you how to manage ShipperHQ data in Shopify using the Ablestar Bulk Product Editor. This is the quickest way we've seen to update ShipperHQ data, and you can make the changes either in the app or using a spreadsheet. Let's get started. Here we have an example Shopify store that sells snowboards. Our first task will be to set a shipping group for these snowboards. In ShipperHQ, we've already configured a shipping group named Large, which is restricted to UPS. Now let's open up Ablestar Bulk Editor to update these fields. Before we get started, we'll need to enable the ShipperHQ integration in the app. To do this, just go to the Settings section, click on Integrations, and click the toggle next to ShipperHQ. The app will quickly reload, and then we'll be set to go. Now we'll click on Home and update the products. First, we only want to update the snowboards, so we'll filter for those. Once we have our products here, we can click on Edit Products, and then under Field to Edit, we'll choose the ShipperHQ field that we want, in this case the shipping group name, and we can set the value to Large. If we look down below, we'll see a preview of the changes we'll make, and click Run Edit. The app will just take a second now, and we can see that the shipping group for these products has been set to Large. One other thing we can do in the app is search for products based on these fields. So if we go back to Home, we go to Filter, we can look for the shipping group name and equals to Large. And if we add a filter here, we'll see the same 15 products selected. Now let's use a spreadsheet to update the shipping origin for these products. To do that, we'll go to Export. On this page, we can configure our spreadsheet. We'll want the first column to be the product handle. And down here, we want the ShipperHQ fields for the shipping group name and the origin name. Once we've selected those, we can click on Generate Spreadsheet, and the app will just take a second to create this spreadsheet for us. Once it's ready, we just click on the download icon to load it. Opening up the spreadsheet, we can see our product handles in the first column, and then an empty column for the shipping origins, and the large shipping group that we just set with a previous edit. In this case, we have two origins for our store. We have one called Ablestar and one called Warehouse. So we'll go through and set those. We can set the first several to Ablestar, and then we'll set the remaining ones to Warehouse. Once we've made the changes here, we can save the file and then re-upload it to the app. To upload the spreadsheet, we'll go to the Spreadsheet Edit section on the left, click on the button, and choose a CSV file or Excel to upload. The app will quickly analyze the file and determine that the first column is the handle. We want to set the second column to be the origin, so we'll click on Select Field, go down to ShipperHQ, and choose the origin name. In this case, we don't need to update the shipping groups because those have already been set. If everything looks good, we can click on Run Edit, and just as before, we'll see the changes being made to our products. Just give that a second to run, and we can verify these in the Shopify admin if we go to View in Shopify admin. We'll wait for that to load, and then here we can click More Actions, Edit Shipping Properties, and we'll see that the values are set for both the shipping groups and the origins. Finally, let's see how this looks on our development store. If we add an item like the shipping wax, which is not in the large group, we can see that the shipping options that we receive are a mixture of USPS and UPS. Wait for that to load and we'll see those here. However, going back, removing this from the cart, we can look for a snowboard that we have set up. In this case, we can choose the complete snowboard, buy it now. And in this case, when we choose a random address within the United States, we'll only see the UPS shipping method associated with it. So that's all there is to it. In this video, we quickly showed you how to edit the ShipperHQ data both within the app and using a spreadsheet, as well as ways to filter for these products if you need to. If you have any other questions, please contact us, and you can find our application on the Shopify App Store. Thanks for watching.